Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Husqvarna 372 XPW. That's the 75cc Husqvarna. Capable of running up to a 36-inch. This one features a new 28-inch 3/8 .050 gauge bar and chain, sprocket nose. And we'll get up close and look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right here on the left, easy to get at. Chokes up here. Has the operator presence lever right here. You have to have your hand in place before you can trigger it up. It's a nice safety feature. That's if that saw was sitting there idling on the ground. If a limb were to get up in here, it's not going to trigger it up. Shouldn't leave it sit there idle anyway, but if you were to, that's just a built-in safety feature. Got the large hand protector and foot pad. As a hand protector, you can see here it helps protect in case of a chain throwing incident. Helps protect your hand. As a foot pad, you just put your foot in here, have the saw on the ground, and you can start the saw a lot easier. It's a high compression engine, so you want to start it safely on the ground. Best way to start it. It's got the large heavy-duty air system, air filtration, similar to something like a K&N filter. It's a real nice air filtration system. Side load on the fuel reservoir and the oil reservoir. Heavy-duty spraying mounts, really nice and smooth and very durable. Working chain brake. The tension adjustment on the bar, loosen the two nuts up here, right here. Right, that screw right in there is the tensioner. Real easy to get at. It's on the side. Very nice feature. Large falling spikes. Decompression valve right here, the blue button. Just push that button in and decompression is when you pull on the rope. Just a very popular and powerful saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.